welcome to another great video. My name is Alex and we're on the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track, and I just encountered a two-door sports car, and I'm in a sedan, and for some reason he wants to race. So the main purpose of being out here today is to do some final validation testing, make sure everything is running in tip-top condition for the CTS-V, which has obviously been modified with our HPE 1000 package that does come with a warranty, and also to do some baseline testing on the ZL1 before we modify it, because of course that thing is about to get 1,000 horsepower. Alright, so Mike, we'll go into a roll. I would say maybe 30 roll, 35 roll.
Alright, bring it.
What do you think about the old four-door sedan, baby? 1,000 horsepowers. There's this company that offers a warranty with modifications.
I can hook you up.
Yeah, let me know.